¿Lograré más cerca?
Habla en inglés porque los vas a tu canal.
This is so bizarre. So bizarre. So bizarre. These come out every 16 years. We captured it tonight. Yes, it's already moving. So close yet so far. You can do it. You can do it, buddy. Also, we got some company. We got some company over here. Yeah, we got some company. Whoever knows this bug, tell me in the comments. It's like this. Looks brown real close. Like 2 white spots, a bit darker. Oh my god. This is so bizarre. 6 times zoom, 1 time zap. Room. 1 time zap. 6 times zoom. This is so bizarre yet so amazing. This is so... Yeah, that's the bug. Right there, like right there. You can see it moving. It's not moving. It's moving. It's tiny. I'm waiting for my mother. My god, it's literally static. Jack static real. No, it's not. Like right there, like right there. Ah! My god. Mosquitoes. I hate them. Also stars. Yeah, you can see them moving. You're like right there. Like right there. This is so bizarre. So amazing. Oh my god. Papa, unos moments. Just a few moments and we're done. God, no way. No way. You're like right there. See it moving? Now it's perfect. Yeah, it's on the other side of the tree. God. So bizarre. This is so bizarre. Oh my god. It actually kind of scared me. That was the eye. Really up close. Really up close shots. I'll do it right over here. Yeah. I actually gotta keep moving or else like mosquitoes will actually bite my back, which is really bad. What the hell? Oh my god. It's actually moving out. These come out every 16 years, guys. 16 years. First time actually witnessing one, but we just get out of it. Let me do a front shot. Dude's clown. That's actually kind of creepy. Regret that. What happened to the brown recluse bug? It's dead. I think. Mark. God, I'm actually getting the wrong shots. Oh my god. This is so bizarre. Billy, you're in England. Every fucking child. On my last day in America. These dudes are attracted to literal power. Why am I shiny? Flashbang. Okay, time for the nonsense. Time to stop the nonsense. Don't mind the sound. It's just some death. helicóptero. Helicopter, helicopter. In the air, oh my god. Way. Yeah, I swear. Wow, it's really close. Cicada. God, this is so exciting yet so exhilarating. This is so exciting yet so boring. This is so exciting yet so boring. I love this. I love this. Cicada. Ve más cerca.
¿Ya lo viste?
16 years of underground. Finally back up to being born and killed after a few days. What is that inside? Yeah, so after these dudes like take off to the skies, you're literally free to pick those things up and just keep them as souvenirs. That shell that's emerging from, a cicada. 16 years of the underground back up. You understand that? I'm backing up. I'm actually kind of scared. Who the hell? Actually, Marlene, ¿por qué tienes mucho? Venga, corre. So bizarre. So bizarre yet so.
A ver, mija, va tirando la toalla.
Es su chichana.
Ya vengas.
Yeah, no shit.
Ya vete.
My back. It's actually itching. My back. ¿Por qué? Me gusta.